Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I got a lot of requests on asking me to do a tutorial on a double exposure painting. Most of you have seen how a double exposure painting is. I have a lot of videos on my Instagram. The link is below. You can follow me on Instagram. And so I have a few portraits that I had made for double exposure. This one and also this one. So double exposure painting is nothing but you just draw a silhouette of any shape whatever you like, and then you draw a scenery inside it. All you need is a few things like masking tape. You shall get this from any stationery shop, masking tape. And I usually use canvas for a double exposure painting. And the next thing you need is a cutter blade. This is where the real experiment begins. You have to be very precise while cutting out the shape. And the next thing you need is acrylic paint. I use Fevicryl acrylic paint. And so let's begin. I shall start and you can learn this art along with me. Today's double exposure painting is a bit complicated, so just let's see how we can complete it. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So we are using a masking tape to first cover up the canvas sheet. I'm covering the whole canvas sheet and then I shall draw the silhouette over this. So here I'm drawing the outline of the silhouette that I need to draw. You may use a sketch pen or a pencil to draw out the outline. And here's the real hero, the cutter blade. We are first drawing the inner silhouette. So just I'm cutting the inside part. This is a bit tricky as you have to be very neat while cutting out the masking tape. And now I'm adding a few colors. Just for the background, I shall start with the lighter ones and to the darker shade. This is basically a sunset scenery. I'm using black paint to show this scenery. I usually use my finger to smudge the paint so that I can get the perfect shade. It mixes along with the other two colors. So we shall cut out the next part of the painting. That's how neat you have to be. As you can see, our inner painting is all ready. It's a princess and you can see a sunset scenery inside the princess. I first apply the shades that I need to mix and then I use a thick brush to mix it all over. I start from the lighter color to get the perfect shade. You take the dark shade on the top and then come down with the lighter shades. My concept in this painting is a night view and a sunset view. The outer painting has a night view and the princess has the sunset view. I'm drawing the moon after the paint dries. The background paint should be dry, and that's when you can give your detailing over it. So my moon is almost ready, and I'm starting with the details. That's the prince and the princess. I like using white for a night vision. I use white paint for detailing. It looks more appealing. You may use a toothbrush to show off the detailing of the stars, of the leaves. You can also use earbud to have the perfect shape of a leaf. And done. I'm taking off the rest of the masking tape, and now as you can see, I tried to do the beauty and the beast. So guys, I hope you all like this video and this tutorial seemed helpful for you. So do not forget to like, share my video, and also please subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on Instagram, where I put in more knowledgeable articles on art, dance and food. Thank you for watching.